Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do chicken liver. So these are fresh livers, fresh chicken livers. These are the hearts. However, I don't eat this. I don't eat the heart. So I'm gonna throw away. I'm back. So I am gonna season the liver that I wash, and this is salt. This is about half teaspoon of salt. Lorry seasoned salt. All purpose. This is chicken seasoning, and you know, so my chicken season finish. So I have to go grocery shopping tomorrow to buy up some more spices and herbs. So I'm gonna buy some herbs as well, dried herbs. This is complete seasoning, and this is the jerk seasoning. And then I'm gonna put like a paprika. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the chicken liver yet, whether I'm going to stew it or fricassee it or whatever. So when I cook it, I will decide what I do to it. So I'm not going to put no browning on it because I'm not really sure if I'm going to stew it. I'm not sure, if I tell you the truth. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm just season it and put it down until I'm ready to cook it because it is herb. Oh, I should have put like a black pepper. Pause to make me go feel black pepper. So I put some black pepper, people. Some fresh herbs. You know, so I run out of fresh herbs because it's Friday now. Tomorrow, everything I go buy back, right? Everything I go fresh and nice. So this is one little piece of sweet pepper, the ripe one. This is hot pepper, many hot peppers, because I can't eat liver without the sata. Not really spicy, but it must in that sata lane. Kind of spicy, but not really spicy. That's why I can't enjoy the food, right? Because it will sick my stomach. Alright, so, and this is one onion. One onion, yes. When me look out liver, me like enough onion. And this is one stalk scallion and one ripe tomato. Yes. So I dash everything in there. So. Oh yes, and one clove garlic. I dash everything in there. So now I not put me in that. And so I go just do this. Alright, so this is good enough. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this like so. And I'm going to put it in the fridge, but I'm going to clean up around it so first. Then I put it in the fridge, I'm ready to cook it. And that's it for now. So now I am going to cook the chicken liver. So this is a pot on medium heat, and I am using the small burner, and it is on medium. And I pour some vegetable oil into the pot. The liver and the seasoning as well into the pot, and I put the heat on, I would say, high. It's between high and medium. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow the liver to brown a bit. I did not put any browning on it, and I am not sure if I'm going to put any browning. Just going to watch it and see how well it brown. And if I would like it to have a deeper brown color than its natural color, so I don't know. So let it cook in its own juice and then I will decide later. People, I am gonna put just a small amount of browning on it, just to change the color a bit. You can caramelize sugar if you want, but I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna let it continue cooking in its own juice and continues to brown as well. Just look at it. Alright. So as you can see, the color is okay for me. I don't want it darker than that. I am gonna put this amount of water, and this is the container that I season the liver into. So I am just gonna put this. I'm not even gonna put all of the water. That amount of water. And this will cook it. So I'm gonna add just a tablespoon of ketchup. This is optional, but you don't know, so Jamaicans, especially the ones that live in Jamaica, we like our ketchup. So I'm gonna let it simmer down to gravy. So this is it. This is the gravy and the chicken liver. The total cooking time, it takes around 10 minutes. Remember that it is chicken liver and not cow liver. What you call beef liver, overseas we call it cow liver in Jamaica. So this is chicken liver. So this is liver and rice, chicken liver. So I do not have any vegetables to eat. Tomorrow I'm going to the market to get some vegetables. Seasoning like scallion, thyme, hot pepper, sweet pepper, tomato, green bananas, few slices of cucumber. Would have been so good right now. I'm gonna have now vegetables. I don't know, so cucumber is patois, cucumber is English.